One thing about me is that I'm always going to make an outfit that can be styled in multiple ways. And this is the beauty of making your own clothes. So let this video be a sign for you to make your own clothes today. Let's go. So first thing first, you're going to need 4 rectangular shapes. So the big part will be 2, the small parts will be 2. These are the measurements on the screen. So, and for this tutorial, I actually use a drift cloth dress for this. So I decided to keep the armhole and the neckline. This I feel to give this old dress character. So you can just cut out your own triangle from a plain fabric, but I actually used a drifted dress for this. So I went ahead to hem all the edges, and then now I'm just going to look for the middle point. From that middle point, that's where we're going to fix in the sleeve, the strap for this top. So I'm going to calculate from the middle points. I'm going to put in these measurements you're seeing on the tape, and then I'm going to attach it and test it on me to see if the wideness of the neck is okay for me or not. So to fix this strap, just because the shoulder is not straight but slant, I'm going to slant it like this inward. I'm going to show you the back of this at the end of this sewing so that you see how much I took in, and then I'm going to pin it down and see it on me. So this is it on me. Before sewing, I realized that the neckline is too wide for what I wanted. So you can leave yours like this, but I wanted mine to be a bit on the close side, so I just reduced it and take it to 2.5 inches on both sides. So this will reduce the neckline. You can even take it to 1 inch or 1.5 inch on both sides, depend on the kind of neckline you want. So this is it after sewing. So this is inside. You see the longer slant is 2.5 inch, while the shorter slant is 1 inch. That's the way I took it in. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to mirror this in the other part of the rectangle. So next is to work on the armhole. Just follow what I'm doing on the screen and the measurement to get your own armhole. So I'm going to sew from that point to this other point and leave the other ends open. So this will give it a very flowy fitting. And this is it, is ready to wear. This is very simple, and it's perfect for beginner, anybody that just starting to sew, or want just to look for something easy to sew on afternoon. So this is perfect, and you can start in multiple ways. And so for the second top, we're still using rectangles. You can see the measurement in the screen. So this is actually part of my new series of beginner friendly sewing project using just rectangles. So I'm planning to bring many of rectangular shape sewing project that any beginner can make. So I went ahead to hem all the raw edges, and now I'm just going to turn it inside out. and then I'm going to measure out the neckline from the middle point of this. You see the measurement on the screen. Now the neckline has been created. Next is to press this down and then to stop stitch it to keep it in place from the one end to the other end on both sides. So this is ready. Next is to get a piece of fabric about 14-inch long and 2-inch wide to make a strap. About 4 strap is what we'll need for this. Now that the first strap is ready, next is just to attach it at the edge of the downside of this top on the 4 sides of this top. So this is ready and we are good to go, and this whole neckline plus the strap will make it easy to manipulate anyhow you want. So you're going to be seeing the different way you can actually wear this tops. They are very versatile. So I hope you like this tutorial. Let me know if it's something you can create or something you would like to try. I would like to know in the comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more DIY fashion. I have more rectangular shape tutorial coming for beginners and for those already good at sewing. All right, see you in the next one. Bye for now.